how to buy Mind of PayPay token. This token came under the symbol of Mind. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, if you check the REFERRAL account, you will see this post. As you can see, it's beyond. So Mind pre-sale is live. So if you click on their official website, you will be able to relax it to this pre-sale page. Now, what you need to do here, just click on buy with crypto or buy with cards. So, but first you need to click on buy here, or I guess if you can to connect your wallet. Now, so I will click on buy with crypto. Now, after that, as you can see, connect your wallet. If you don't have, or if you don't find your wallet here, click here, I don't have a wallet. Now follow this instruction. As you can see, scan the QR code to download the best wallet app, create your account, buy an app with a card or crypto. And as you can see, so for me, I will select the MetaMask. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to their pre-sale page, what you need to do here, just select the token that you want to buy with. If you select Ethereum, I guess there is only Ethereum, so yes. So as you can see, now here type how much you want to buy with your Ethereum, but make sure you have enough Ethereum on your wallet. As you can see, you need 0.005 ETH for gas and enough ETH for tokens. So because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can be able to see here buy. Now for you, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is this token, it's in pre-sale, and this is how to buy a Mind of PayPay token. If you find it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.